Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jonathan Golden with the X30 Kart today. We're here at Adams Motorsport Park Raceway in Riverside, California, and I'm here with my tech guy, Aaron. Aaron, welcome to the channel. So how'd I do today?
I think you did pretty good. For your first time being here at this track, you developed right away and pretty quick right off the gate.
Right.
I feel like this track fits your driving style.
Aggressive?
Very aggressive. Very aggressive.
Yeah, and the tires are just completely roasted.
Oh yeah.
This track eats up tires pretty well. So my best time today was like a 44.8. Not bad. There was someone else here today that did like a 44.2 with the newer tires. So I'm right there. Especially my first time at this track, I feel really good. I went off a couple times. You'll see in the footage. Pretty sketchy, but there's no room for error on this track like Cal Speed. You have a lot of runoff area, but here it's like mainly dirt and rocks, so you gotta be careful. So I survived the day, nothing broken or damaged, right?
No.
Okay.
All good.
All right, maybe underneath the car it's gonna be all scraped up, but came home safely. And check out the footage. A couple onboards. I was going back and forth with some people, and took a couple spins, made a few errors. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.